This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, this is SonicR Inner Circle Groups. Okay, this week we would like to talk about week number 4, 22nd of January 2019. Okay, this week, yesterday, which is Monday, right? We have a little bit of low volume, low activities movement because yesterday was a holiday. Okay, so from today onward until to the end of the week, in my opinion, we're gonna have quite a lot of high impact item coming up, so that will lead to the high volatile movements. So as you can see from the screen, this week we're going to have a very big impact issue or impact so-called event from JPY items, because we have a BOJ press conference, we have JPY monetary statements. So it's going to be quite impact in my opinion. So please watch out if you are, or please look out for opportunity if you are trading JPY pair. All right. Other than that, we also have other items such as, like later on Friday we have a Euro press conference. So this is gonna be a quite trigger for a Euro pair as well. And of course we have a Aussie and New Zealand item. So as for today we have a GPP. So put it this way: from now onward until the rest of the week, we have a British pound, Aussie, New Zealand, especially on JPY and Euro item will be coming up. So in my opinion, we just started for a week only, so it's like the movement is about to unfold. All right, so get ready. So let's do some analysis here. So since we are talking about JPY, okay, let's do some analysis on JPY. Okay, JPY has been a very good rundown for quite a while previously, and for the past few weeks they are making a push up. So apparently, in my opinion, they are trying to find some footing, because the market broke a very strong support level, that make all the order into out of the balance. So market was trying to find its footing, try to rebalance again, right? And that's the reason why we have a bit of like a sideway and up push up move for the past 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, in my opinion, the currently they are starting to see the signs of small signs of bearishness. Okay, but if you are shorting it, do not trade or do not going in with a very tight stop loss, like like putting a stop loss such as like 109.8, 109.7 level. You don't do that, because I think they can easily swing back up higher until until hit taking out the stop loss. Then eventually they may go back down as well. So it's like, it's not worry if you are shorting it, but you stay might get your get stop out or stop cut hunted. So in my opinion, if you are stay bullish on this particular pair, okay, they still can go up to as high as around 110.7 or even 111 level first. Okay, and then if they were to be go down lower, I think these are the level that you can look for a short to enter with a tighter stop loss. So I am proposing the potential scenario that they might still go up higher first. Okay, yes, in the longer run they are still going to go down lower. I do not think they are going to go way above like 114.5 or even 115 level. Okay, it's just that we are now looking at the potential location, where are the level that they might tend down from. So I am expecting 110.9 and around 111 level will be a nice level. Okay, so this will be the nice level that you may want to take a shot from. Okay, another one I would like to talk about US dollars Canadian. All right, US dollar Canadians, we have a very good rundown previously. And they are now pulling right back up. So I think this is logical as well, because they have been pushed down in a very strong manner in a very short time frame, right? So what happens is that there are a lot of trader following the price, or there are a lot of trader are so-called pressure to sell down without thinking twice. So I think a lot of them might be have a sole position somewhere around this region, which is around like 113.8 to 113.8 to 11329 level. So this is around array of like 100 to 150 pip level. So what happened to them? They are pretty, they are now in the negative region already. I think they can go up a little bit higher. I think the potentially they can go up to 1.3359, 1.3336 level, or even 1.3390 or 1.34 level first before they can come, they can drop down again. So for me, I am medium term, I'm bearish. So currently I already have a previous position. I already took my profit out already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait it out until they start to touch to those strong level that I just mentioned. So from there, let the bearish candle show up, then I will look for a short. So for now, the bullishness, they can win and they can drift higher up a little bit first. Okay. Okay. Now let's talk about gold here. Okay, gold. Okay, gold. Okay, if you follow us closely, we have been telling about the potential pullback for the time being because gold have been consolidating around 1290 level for a while because 1300 level is a very strong psychological resistance level. So it's like I do not think, and it is very logical that they cannot break easily as well. So what they are trying to do, they are trying to push the price lower, so that the next bullish momentum will come back in. As they go lower, then they're going to push and try to break up one more time. Eventually, in my opinion, they're going to break up sooner or later. It's just that they have to go lower first to, go lower first to attract buyer to come in first. So I'm expecting they can go slightly lower first. The first level of support, it will be like 1270, or even, okay, if it is quite severe, they can go down even to 124 4 level, 1240, 1242 level first. Okay, but in my opinion, we are stay pretty much on the healthy uptrend. So instead of following a short, maybe you want to stay with the trend. Why don't you just wait at the very nice support level that I just mentioned to go in and enter again? So for now, let them slide down first. But like I said, sooner or later they should meet with a very strong support, or very strong, very strong push up to come back in. Okay, it is very similar to silver as well. Okay, just bear with us for a while, let them load it up. Okay, it's very similar to silver as well. Silver being highly manipulated, they tend to move up a lot higher or move down a lot higher compared to gold products, right? Because they are the lesser or less, less liquid item. Okay, so now silver is already start to show the pullback mode already. I think the silver, they can go down to $15 level, because $15 is such a nice psychological level, or even they can go down as nearly as 14.87 level. So I have the same view about silver together as a gold. In my opinion, they are just going down lower for a time being to search for the buyer to come back in again. So yep. So overall looks like US dollar is making a comeback. Okay, overall looks like US dollar is making a comeback. But anyway, we are still too early to say, because we are still on the Tuesday, and moreover, whatever happened on yesterday should not be taken so seriously, because yesterday was a US holiday, so the market might not move according to the proper fundamental information. So I think it should have more movement or proper movement by today, and of course until to the rest of the week, they're gonna move a lot. Okay, so all the best, and yep, please follow us in the Telegram. You can look for us in the Sonic Trader. In under the Telegram apps, you can go search Sonic, SonicTraders. Okay, and of course we will post our view from there every day. Thank you very much, and have a great week ahead. Thank you.
All right. And over my end, I'll be talking about euro to New Zealand dollars, which, from what I looked at, is currently at some resistance level. And as you can see from the volume, you can see that for the past few days, the volume is rather pretty thin, which means that the up move is still quite weak. Okay, so I would say that so long as 1.7 zone is still holding, the resistance is still holding, we still have some possibility of seeing the price to move down even further. All right, so the next support level would be at 1.66 level. All right, and then the next one that I will be talking about would be the US dollar to Singapore dollar, which also moving upwards with volume thinning down. Okay, so we have a previous support over here which is being broken. So should price were to return back into the 1.365 zone, this is where I'll be waiting for the bearish setup to show up before I look to take a position. Right, so this is all we have over our end, and then we'll see you guys in the upcoming week again. Thank you.